In this video, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how you guys can make thousands of dollars with clipping, and let's get straight to it. So if you guys don't know what clipping is, basically what you're doing is taking creators' content, whether they be a guru, whether they be a streamer, whatever they are, what type of content creator they are, you're going to be clipping up their content, editing up their content, and posting it on social media platforms, gaining them an organic audience. And it's literally the easiest way to make your first $1,000 online and scale it beyond that. In this video, I'm not going to be showing you guys how to actually edit, because if I did, it'll be a whole hour-long video. So I have a link in the description to this WAP right here. This WAP is going to teach you guys how to step-by-step do everything when it comes to clipping, especially when it comes to editing here in the clipping masterclass. Here you guys will be hearing from Caleb, teaching you guys how to edit, going through every step there is when it comes to clipping, how to get clients, how to do basically everything when it comes to clipping. And it's a great module, great video, in-depth videos that are going to really help you guys out. CapCut tutorials, everything you need is here. Everything you need for clipping is literally here. Clipping deals, he does live calls, everything for you guys is here in this Discord. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. Once you guys are officially in the Discord, this is the first step you guys want to do. You want to go ahead and just go through all of these modules. Really don't even have to go through all of them. Mainly the account mastery, the introduction, all the just good stuff here, how to win a WAP. Those are really the main things you want to go through. And then all this other stuff is stuff that you can just learn a little bit later. More about clients and actually how to get retainers, which is how you actually make the real bucks when it comes to clipping. But here we're just going to go through WAP, and later into the video, I'm going to go through how to actually gain clients and get a retainer so that you can make $1,000 a month just off of one client alone. Now, once you guys have gone through a couple of the first videos, have gone through the introduction, all that good stuff, you kind of already know how to edit. All you guys are going to want to do is go to this campaign finder right here. Here you're going to actually find people that you can clip for. And usually I like to sort by the newest and go through the newest, because a lot of the ones on this page are just a bunch of random stuff, a bunch of stuff that has already been ran up. So here you can get a bunch of new places for you to clip up for, and new people for you to clip up. So we got Suwup, I forgot how to say his name, but he is a pretty known person when it comes to TikTok and stuff like that. Not very good known, but he's known, so it'd be very easy to get views for him and, you know, go ahead and make money off of him. And I'm actually already in his Discord, so I'm gonna go to his stuff. So once you guys are in one of these WAPs, it's relatively going to look all the same. You're gonna have your announcements, your creator awards, content awards, where you submit your clips and make money, and then your main chat and your learn. What you guys want to do first is just make sure that this is a actual client you want to clip for. Make sure this is a good person. They have a lot of good traction, so that you can actually get views with this person. Check through all their platforms, see if they actually have a following, people watching them, and go through the content rewards, see if this is something that would be good for you. Here we can see that you're getting paid $3 every 1,000 views that you get, with a maximum payout of $60. Now what you see here is the campaign. So basically in this campaign, he has a total spend of $293. So at max you can make $293, and that's if you eat the whole entire campaign. But you have multiple people going after this campaign, so this really would not be a good campaign in my opinion, just because the max amount of money you can make is $293, and you want to see campaigns that are at least $1,000 plus, because a lot of people are probably trying to fight over this, right? A lot of people are trying to clip, a lot of people are trying to make money, so it's gonna be hard for you to, you know, get a good amount of money out of the content that you're producing. So me personally wouldn't really be a good fan of this type of campaign, but it's okay. And usually here they're going to have the requirements, all the stuff that you need to make sure that you're following each requirement to a T, because these people do like to decline a lot of people's submissions just because they're trying to maximize the money they want to make. So if you don't hit every requirement, they're not going to accept your clip so that you can actually make money. And that leads me to another thing. Once you submit your clip, they are going to take a little bit of time to accept your clip. They have to accept your clip, make sure that you followed all the requirements, that you're not botting, stuff like that. And then they're going to go ahead and accept you or decline you based off of the requirements, all the stuff I said previously. And once you are accepted, you can continue to make money off of that clip after they even accept you. So once they accept you, you can continue to make money off of that clip as long as it's getting views, getting traction, all that good stuff. But obviously, once a campaign ends, you stop making money off of that clip. I'll go ahead and actually show you guys an example. This is somebody that I was clipping previously when I first started, named RP Profits. If we go to my submissions here, we can see I had one video that went viral, 121,000 views, and I was paid out $65. But if the campaign didn't run out, I would be paid almost $300 for this clip, because it I think it was around 70K views when the campaign ended and got filled. So yeah, obviously they're not gonna pay you if the campaigns ran out. So keep that in mind, guys. And if you guys are new to clipping, again, I highly recommend you guys go ahead and join this Discord. It is 100% worth it. I would not be in the position that I'm in currently when it comes to clipping if it was not for this Discord. Caleb taught me basically everything that I know when it comes to clipping. So if you guys want to work with him and just get these deals done as soon as possible, gain a retainer, which is actually where you're gonna make the real money. Is that's somebody's paying you like $1,000 a month every month for you to clip for them. That's where the real money is. Go ahead, join this Discord. It is 100% worth it, guys. As you can see here, Caleb will post retainer potentials a lot for you guys. Here you can see there's a potential for somebody right here, payment $10 per clip. So that is such a better deal than going into one of these WAPs and trying to fight with other people, not knowing if you're actually going to get paid before the campaign is filled. Here, you're guaranteed $10 per clip. That's literally you going into CapCut for 10 minutes and you're making $10. Like, it is 100% worth it, guys. And he posts these fairly frequently. In September it was a bit slow, but he posts these fairly frequently. So yeah, huge opportunity for you guys. But before you guys get into actually doing the retainers and stuff like that, I highly recommend you guys just continue to do the little WAP campaigns, because that gives you experience and it also gives you proof of product. So if you're coming to somebody and you're trying to sell them, hey, I'm going to clip for you, you give me $1,000 a month, you got to have some type of experience. You have to have something to back it up. You have to have some clientele in the past. Most people are not going to just take a chance on you, especially if they have hundreds of people texting them about clipping for them. So guys, continue to do the WAP campaigns. Do like 5 to 10 WAP campaigns, and that should be enough for you guys to go ahead and go to a creator, a streamer, a guru, whoever it is, and say, hey, I can clip for you. This is my past clientele that I've worked with. I've given them millions of views, and I would like to give that same product, that same service to you as well. And if it's something that's good enough for them, hey, they'll accept you and they'll pay you $1,000 to $2,000 a month, guys. It is so simple, so easy. All you're literally doing is sitting at your computer or your phone and you're just editing. That's all you guys got to do is just go open up CapCut and edit. Make a bunch of clips. Like, it is completely simple, guys. It's so simple, so easy for you guys. This is the easiest time to make money online. This is the easiest way to make money online. And if you guys aren't doing this, then you guys are just, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm going to have more videos coming very soon showing you guys how to edit, going into more specifics. I just wanted to drop this first video for you guys, give it a little bit of sauce, and show you how you guys can make a couple $1,000s when it comes to clipping, how to start off. So if you guys want more videos, more in-depth videos, what type of videos you guys want to see, comment down below, subscribe, more videos coming soon, like it up so that more people can see this video and can help out more people, reach the algorithm, all that good stuff, guys. So appreciate it. I'm out.